You're planning a trip to Bali, or maybe you're sending money to family back home. You've heard good things about Chime, but one burning question remains: does Chime actually work internationally? Let's dive in. Now, Chime is a popular choice for many reasons. No overdraft fees, early direct deposit, and a user-friendly app are just a few perks. But when it comes to international use, things get a bit more complex. First off, let's talk about using your Chime card abroad. The good news is, yes, you can use your Chime debit card in most places that accept Visa. This means you can swipe away in shops, restaurants, and even ATMs. But there's a catch: while Chime doesn't charge foreign transaction fees, you might still incur fees from the ATM network. So, it's always a good idea to check for fee-free ATMs before you withdraw cash. Online shopping from overseas? Generally, you're in the clear. As long as the merchant accepts Visa, your Chime card should work just fine. However, some websites might flag your purchase for security reasons. If this happens, you might need to verify your identity. Now, let's talk about international transfers. This is where things get a bit trickier. Chime doesn't offer direct international transfers. If you need to send money abroad, you'll have to use a third-party service. While this might sound like a hassle, it's important to remember that using a specialized service often comes with better exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks. So, to recap, Chime's debit card is generally good for international purchases and ATM withdrawals, but be aware of potential ATM fees. For international transfers, you'll need to use a third-party service. It's also worth mentioning that Chime's policies and features can change over time. So, it's always a good idea to check their website or app for the most up-to-date information before you travel. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.